guys, so basically this look that I'm wearing today was actually inspired by an AI image of myself that was obviously generated by an AI. So I decided to actually give it a try and see if I'm gonna be able to pull it off, basically recreating an image of myself generated by an AI. So if you want to see if I managed to actually pull it off, which is the image, I'm gonna put it somewhere up here. Please keep on watching. Please keep on watching from beginning to end. And if you think that I pulled it off, please give me your honest thought down below. I'll show you every single step. You're gonna see every single step that I did. And yeah, without any hesitation, let's get started. And the wig that we are gonna be looking at today is from Sonar. Look at that beautiful, beautiful package like I've never seen before. It's got this rainbow or unicorn colors on. And there's actually a reason why I went ahead and got this wig, and that's because of this image right here that is AI generated. And I decided, you know what, that looks pretty cool. Can I recreate an AI image in real life? So that's what I did, and that's what we're gonna be doing. And I've already done the makeup or something closely similar to what I think the AI me has. So now we're gonna be trying out the wig. Okay, let's just have a look and see. So out of the box, and it's a 10-inch wig. Out of the pack, a little fishnet thingy, stuffing, and well, see, it's a very blonde, ice blonde or ash blonde like wig. It's a 10-inch wig, and it just has lace on this little section right here, and 2 combs on this side, 1 in the middle, elastic band, a thick elastic band or strap, and also a wig comb at the back, and 2 little elastic straps right at the back. The thick one seems like it's in the middle, and 2 thin straps. Let's try it on and see before we cut off the lace. You already know what I'm gonna say. So I'm basically just gonna take my skin tone shade of powder, and I'm just gonna powder inside that lace right here. Just like that. According to my AI image, the wig is a little bit shorter and a bit well styled out, and well, it's sort of like a side bob. So we're gonna try and do that, and I'm just gonna have to the side. I don't know, maybe more like this, because this is more, I feel more naturally this way. So I'll section my hair, and then I'm just gonna make sure that I secure my wig really good. Just like that. I feel like I should slight bit like that. Section it. And then next, I'm just gonna like tweeze out a few hairs just to make that line a little bit cleaner. Little bit cleaner. The parting section. comb out that excess. The roots look a little bit more like faded dark. Some of that in. Lay it really flat. Right, and I'm just gonna cut that blonde a little. Yes, need it to blend in. Going back in again, tuck it in there. Just gonna flatten that a little bit on the parting. Just press it a little bit flat. Now what I gotta do is start cutting some of this. Okay, just cutting it zigzag because the haircut on the AI image of me is not perfectly cut, so it's not like a blunt cut. Okay, so I just need to cut it a little bit more shorter. I'm getting cramp on my fingers. And just to even out those ends, I'm just gonna go in with this trimmer comb. So next I'm going in with a hair straightener. I'm just gonna straighten it inwards. Then it looks like the hair is slightly tucked in on the side. Somewhat something like that. I could not find a wig that matches my AI character, so on my AI image of myself. So this is the wig I'm gonna have to make do. Yeah, I'm basically competing with myself here. Yeah, competing with me. Competing with my clone. But AI decided to give me a sister, finally. After asking my parents for a sister for so many years, AI decided to create an image of me. Okay, so and that was many years ago. So let's see, kind of like tucked in a little bit of the hair, and the rest is just kind of like out there. On the side it's so loosely curled, but a little bit, it's got a little bit of a body or height to it. We're gonna lift that hair up a bit, and then we're gonna get our holding holding spray. I'm just gonna tease it. Well, do I have a teasing comb? I'm just gonna tease it a bit. Just on this side. Just a little. Now we can see what we're working with. So I'm just going to take the flat iron again. Okay. Now I'm just going to grab the curling iron. And I'm just gonna curl it away from my face like this, just for a couple of seconds, because the curls are not like perfectly defined. So basically this is the side of the look, and this is the other side of the look. I try my very best to kind of like pull it off, but yeah, nice bob. I think so. This is how the end results look like, and so that's pretty much it for is AI generated look. And if you enjoyed it, please don't forget to subscribe or follow for more content, and until next time, bye bye.